here. There are a lot of people live in Holland, and also people in Switzerland is here too. Also in Germany. So you can what you want to tell them? Somebody say if somebody say, have you ever sucked dick? The man straight.
So what?
He is straight.
Have I
Somebody said
ever?
if you ever suck dick.
No, no, no. I've not tried that.
Mm-hmm.
No. I'm into.
The man
I'm
not the
in.
man are not gay.
I'm
He's
into
straight.
woman. I'm into. I'm
But
into.
you know say me a man. Do you know that I'm a trans though?
Yes, of course I know.
Okay. So nobody go
Yes,
say oh, but they
yes,
are
I know.
catch nobody or anything.
I
Nothing
know
like
you.
that.
I know you're a Bobrisky, no?
Okay.
Yeah.
And somebody said they want to eat to they want to they want to eat up you. They want to text you. They want to,
Yeah, you can
they
hit me
suck
my.
toe.
You can hit me my DM.
So do you suck toe?
So what?
Do you suck toe?
So what is toe?
I mean your toe, you toe. On your foot. Do you suck foot? You don't know
Foot,
toe bumper
foot.
clot.
This
Yes. Do
foot,
you suck?
foot.
Yeah, do you do that?
Yes, of course.
Oh yeah.
But for woman, I can do everything. I can do everything for a woman. Just that
You know
person.
response if a man dep on live a long time, in dep on live, I don't know.
Just
He's
the
in
person.
he man live in Switzerland. So don't chat too much. You know see Alan now. Okay. And you like when girl fought in your face?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Show the tongue for them.
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's 196 people are watching you. Show the tongue. They need to see the tongue.
You want to see my tongue?
Yeah, that's what they said.
I think it will be. Why not to do
No,
it?
they say they want to know if you can lick the pussy properly. Come make a can even look at pussy good.
They want to see the whole tongue. Huh?
Oh, that's so. Somebody said you should put the finger in your mouth like this. You're so cocky. Can't tell me not say no so cocky. Half is so cocky. So when do half is so cocky. Go ya. On the way. On the way. The man so body. Oh. Which one I go put your finger in the mouth like that? Go ya.
Wait.
Wait.
What is mean of where?
Someone said your tongue lazy.
My tongue is lazy.
Yeah, it's not moving. Like this.
Sure? Let the person to come and try it.
You do like this. No, they mean you should do like this. Mm-hmm. Yes, gal. All of the gal men at the house, don't take off for the drawers. Skin out the pussy. Cause no pussy about to wet.
You know one thing of me. Before I fuck pussy, I must lick it. The pussy must be wet before I can fuck,
So the pussy should be wet? No, you are the one should wet the pussy.
Yes, of course. I have to want to wet the pussy with my tongue.
Oh, so you wet it with your tongue and then you fuck it after.
Yes, I need to suck it like.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. Do that for them. That's what they need. Oh God.
Yeah.
No man or woman, if you come up here, somebody calling or somebody calling for the live and mourn. Somebody calling for the live. One girl, please send the request. They don't have to show your face, just mourn. Just calling and mourn for the live.
Yeah.
Calling and mourn for the live. Guys, please call somebody. You don't have to show the face. So just call in and mourn. Just mourn for the live. Just mourn now. When just come mourn for the live. They say what size you have? What size dick?
Come my DM. Tell the person to come to my DM.
There's so much of them. Everyone on the live, they're asking what size dick you have.
I say come to my DM. It's a private.
But you told me the other day, so why you don't want to talk now?
Every day must not be the same.
Yeah, but they're not going to come in your DM if you don't tell. Listen, I know these people.
Watch my finger. Watch my finger. For my finger, you will know the size.
So it's 5?
No.
6?
Yeah.
I'm done. That's fucked.
6.5.
6.5. 6 inch.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's too small though.
It's too.
Ah, you should. Man, that's why you ask. You might take that in there.
Man,
6.
so you don't have someone around the Netherlands?
Hello?
Oh yeah.
Fuck
Yes.
that pussy daddy, yeah.
Yes, baby.
Yeah,
Yes,
do it again.
Oh.
Do it again.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, yeah,
Man, man, this is so.
of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Lick the tongue, lick the tongue, lick the tongue.
Oh.
Harder, dude, harder.
I give me a heart.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Destiny, where you put me in a destiny?
More no. Somebody come up, come on, no. Somebody come up, come on, man. Somebody come up. Can't the baga TV come up, come on, no. All of the people where I'm on, no come up, no.
No.
Come on, I no. Wanna come on. Me can't mourn. Me say me a man, you know. Me can't mourn. Wanna have to mourn. Alright, me go add somebody to come on now. That's
All right.
Una now make the man wait. Una come on now. Somebody calling come on. Don't have show the face no come on no man. Una come on.
Oh, no, what I'm gonna say.
Hey darling, mourn. Bomber clot. Move your dirty stinking germs. Come off of this blood clot, yeah. The man wants a black girl. He wants a black girl, no white girl over here. Come and mourn. Baga TV, come and mourn no. Somebody come and mourn no. We want to see sperms a flash over here. So nobody no want mourn. Somebody come and mourn no.
Nobody.
My fuck up on my fake picture come on. Hold on. No want mourn? Alright. Now what call on my friend to come on over here. Where you?
I'm coming.
Where is your
Fuck the pussy.
Where is the pussy? Bring out the pussy. Can I see the pussy?
Fuck the pussy.
Can I see the pussy,
Yeah,
baby?
fuck it.
Where's the pussy?
Yeah, you can see it,
I
baby.
can see the pussy, baby.
I'm gonna show the pussy.
Show the pussy, man.
Would you suck my pussy for me?
Yes.
Would you suck that pussy? I'm not seeing your face. Why?
Yeah, I'm not seeing your face like that.
I'm gonna call. Yes, I'm gonna turn the camera.
No, turn the camera, baby.
But I want you to.
Do what?
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do now, baby.
Turn the camera.
Let me fuck me, baby.
Let's see you.
Fuck that
Let's see
pussy.
you.
I was using the toilet. What happened?
Oh, I was using toilet.
Hello? Why? Murder! If you're not busy, come here, so God. Hey, you back us and tell a boy. Hey, you make it city be. Murder! Remember, say the man no say me a batty man. Remember, say the man no say me a gay. Oh, so nobody go call me blood clot. You may hear him say him no say me's a man. Oh, in Switzerland him live. Him just there Alan now. Him no say me's a man. Okay. So no call me blood clot name. Oh. Come on with this upon the dirty blood clot. Him no say me a man, him no say me a gay. Him always come for me live. In Switzerland him live in just there Alan now. He no live far from me. As Zurich, he live in the same city, but live up there, so. That's the idea. You know, say me a man. Alright, I don't hear what him say, guys. I don't hear. Me not look on ratty and a ratty time now, my girl. Me not look on ratty. You just dip on ratty and a ratty time now, my girl. So, you know, say me a young girl. Me not have with old rat. So, And the ratty time, I agree with all rats. I'm a friend him always come from my life, my love. Me and him always text. A straight man, he always come from my life. You know, African people don't respond poor people. Yeah, me just I tell us, say, me no want nobody go call me if I can't fish nobody. I'm a friend. Him always come from my life. Oh. So I'm giving a straight template now. I tell me, boy, say, oh, young people time now. I just say young people time now, girl. A young people time now, and somebody said, if I add him back, me have to go text him if he come back. Hold on. I'm going to text him if he come back. I text him, tell him if he come back. On a ratty time now. Not to say me a young girl. Me I know all full and I know competition. But